In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Wix website. Whether you're rebranding, updating details, or simply changing the focus of your site, renaming it is a straightforward yet essential task. So let's walk through the steps together. First, we need to navigate to the Wix platform. Head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the My Sites section. This is where all the websites you manage will be listed, giving you easy access to any site you may wish to update or change. Once you're in the My Sites section of your Wix account, find the website you'd like to rename and take a moment to ensure it's the correct one. It's always good to double check to avoid any confusion or accidental changes. Now, direct your attention to the Site menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site Actions. This is where you'll be able to manage various features and settings related to your website. Click on Site Actions to reveal a drop-down menu of different options. Among these options, you'll see Rename Site. This is the feature we need right now. Click on Rename Site, and Wix will prompt you to enter a new name for your website. It's important to note that this action only affects the name of the site as it's displayed in your account and not the website's URL or any underlying content, so you have some flexibility. Once you've clicked on Rename Site, you'll be brought to a field where you can type in your new site name. Consider what reflects your website's purpose or the image you want to convey. Take your time to choose a name that aligns with your brand or the message you wish to communicate. Once you've settled on a new name, type it in this field. Make sure you're satisfied with your choice, and importantly, there's no need to rush this decision. After updating the name, you're almost done. Now search for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of your screen. Click Save to confirm your changes and officially rename your website. This step might seem small, but it's crucial to ensure all your modifications are applied correctly. And that's it, you've successfully renamed your Wix website. This update should make managing your sites easier, especially if you're handling multiple projects or brands. Remember that renaming your site is about more than just a title. It's about adjusting your web presence to better suit your vision. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials for all your website management needs.